Sangyup tayo mga guys.
Anong handa nila, tita?
Lamb of God takes away the sin of the world.
Happy Mother's Day.
Nandito si Tita Eva.
Shepherd
Nandito si Tita Eva.
who sacrifices for us, who never gives up on us, who looks for us when we go astray, and who always welcomes back his son.
Lagyan mo ba mantika yan? Hindi, mantika na yan. Yan na lang ginamit namin.
Sangyup tayo, sangyup.